Hello friends, in this short and basic video, I will show you how to show and hide virtual touchpad icon on taskbar corner in Windows 11. So very simple and basic way, click on this start. Here select taskbar. Click on taskbar settings. Once you open this page, here guys you will see this last option, virtual touchpad. Always show virtual touchpad icon. Slide on or off to show or hide. So this is the basic and simple way guys to show or hide. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.